You've clicked this link because you're interested in the global G18 24cm 10-inch knife. The next 2 minutes is going to be me taking it through its paces, and I hope this helps you make a decision on whether you want to buy it or not. Let's run the tape. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that. I hope it was informative. Please click the link.
Fucking useless.
Jesus Christ. We're on air. I hope you found that informative. Please check out my website, chef-at-c.com, for more knife reviews and other chefery. See you next time. Thanks very much.